دغه د اتوزی صاحب د پاره هم یو شال دی صادر دی او زمونږ د پښتنو د روایت مطابق ټوپی ده
अपनी पालती है
तालियां जी
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद इंतहाई काबिल कदर ज़मान लाला इंतहाई मोहतरम असेंबली वुमन शमा हैदर साहिबा हमारी कम्युनिटी के ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के हेड्स ख़वातीन व हज़रात अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड अ वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू यू ऑल वही पश्तो में है कि स्ताद खाइस गुलू नडीर दी स्ताद खाइस गुलू नडीर दी जोलई मितंग अजबकम कुम टोलाओमा It's a couplet that I recited in Pashto, which means the poet is addressing his beloved, saying that you are so charming, you are so arrestingly charming, so beautiful, that the aroma and flowers of your beauty are so many that I don't have a place to hold them. So that fits onto the very existence of Khyber society. Their deeds, their record, their work, the way they have been contributing to the welfare of people back home and also to the social fabric of society here, irrespective of creed, color or religion. That is not just highly commendable but highly appreciable. So my sincere commendation and appreciation for the President and all the office bearers of Khyber society for the highly commendable work that they have been doing since their existence. So ladies and gentlemen, please a big round of applause. Why did I say that? Because I've been in close touch with them. We have been meeting and I've been getting to know about the good work that they have been doing. It's not just the social welfare that they have been involved in. Whether there are floods back home, whether there are earthquakes, whether there are circumstances beyond human control, there is some damage back in Pakistan, they always stand up, they stand united, they get together and they help their brothers and sisters back in Pakistan. So bravo and 2 thumbs up for you. My friend talked about the collaboration of Pakistan Consulate with Khyber Society. So let me reassure all of you, all other organizations, that the Consulate General of Pakistan is your second home. The doors are open. My office is your office. You can get to me. I'm accessible 24/7. We are here to serve you without any restriction, without any discrimination, and we'll be by your side if you have any thought, any project for the welfare of the community out here or back in Pakistan. You can count on us and we are there to serve you to any limit. Now, being a Pashtun myself, I would like to turn to Pashto. Wai banda manam khuda bandiano bandagi na manam. Banda manam khuda bandiano bandagi na manam. Azad Pukhtuniyam zapazan se pabandi na manam. Bya wai che zama riwaj, zama kultur, zama pagdai bamane. Zama riwaj, zama kultur, zama pagdai bamane. Durust jahana the Pushtun khada shade bamane. So since now it's a day of celebrating Pashtun culture, being a Pashtun myself, as I said, and few couplets that I recited, that is an expression of the Pashtun soul, the kind of people we are. If I have to explain to you or give you a gist, and it is binding upon you that you have to help your neighbors, come what may. Whether they are constructing a building or they are in the field, cutting the crop or anything. Likewise, we have Nanawati. Nanawati means, you have an enemy who has done a lot of irreparable damage to you in terms of finance and human lives. But if he comes to your hujra or your home, you have to forgive him without any conditions. I love that. Likewise, Path, you have to be full of that sense of respecting your brethren and people living in your surrounding and your family, come what may. Likewise, there is another concept of mlatar, that you have to be there by the side of your friends and cousins or anybody known to you in times of adversity without any preconditions. So this is, a beautiful concept that I believe we should introduce everywhere, because it is all about inclusivity. It is about doing welfare without any discrimination. So I'm highly grateful to the Khyber Society for having invited me here. Or again, all the office bearers, who taso chikam matlab dalta the diversity da, or I can see faces from each nook and corner of the New York City. That's a wonderful job, because I can see everybody having come from everywhere. No, zataus der zat khare tahsin pesh kom zaman lala tadeda para. Taso chikam the falah karuna di da geda para. आओ पदे कोशिश बांधे चितासु खलक रागुंडवे द इत्तेहाद पनियत बखुलूस बांधे आओ दफला पनियत नो जमाने तरफ तासु टोलो गड़ुता और टोलो मरगरुता अडेरा मुबारकी अल्लाह खाद लरा आबादो से आओ जमाने तरफा तासु दपारा तासु द कोरवाल तरफा the Korwala, the home or the Wadu Tahom. Toluta, Duagani Salamuna, and specifically I would like to make a mention of the most respected and beautiful women that we have, our sisters with us who have today made it here. It is adding more beauty, to the gathering. So thanks for being here today, and be shoulder to shoulder with your men and anything you do and anything you aim at. So I thank you all for being here today. Since I'm the last speaker, so I would not wish to block, the way between you and the dinner. So I wish you more strength, more power, more happiness to all of you, to you and your families. May Allah bless you all. Pakistan Zindabad.
विपदा से कांगड़ा का पर हक पर बैठो समाज दुनिया के जितक मसुल तैयार है नाम विश्वना को मारना आजा दुनिया दे लाला लाला जीवन में पूरा खुशहाली जीवन में पूरा खुशहाली पर हक पर बैठो समाज दुनिया ये तमाशी तपतान रागली दिना कस्तो मारना ताता ताता दुनिया के तनो मारना लाश पे खबर तक इसको मारना ताता ताता दुनिया के तनो अब बबू आज चले चले यार बबू आज चले चले यार बदल के मेरे नरे सितार लगे तो बदल के मेरे नरे सितार लगे तो बबू आज चले चले यार लगे तो बबू आज चले चले यार लगे आने जाने के आने जाने के ला 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 तो तुम चुलाते हो मैंने पूछा तो तुम चुलाते हो क्या बोले कि ऐसी बातें तुम क्यों पूछते हो ऐसी बातें तुम क्यों पूछते हो जो बताने के आगे जो बताने के बन के रहो तुम किसी के या फिर अपना किसी को बना या फिर अपना किसी को बना क्यों ये कीमती है जवानी के मोती कीमती है जवानी के मोती यूं लुटाने के काबिल लुटाने के ظالمان ما سرا جانان جنگوي او یار د خلکو مخکې جنگ مکوا مونږ چې په جنگ ویني نو کان جنگوي چاته چې چل مو د خبرو زده کړو هغه زموږ سره ټیکان جنګوي او هغه د کلي د جرګو سړی دی څوک چې د کلي دوه کسان جنګوي نو دا پښتانه د چا نه کم خو نه دي خو لاوزګار نه دي چرګان جنګوي ما وی شیخ دا شراب دی ولی اس کے لگا توجہ مانگنا ما وی شیخ دا شراب دی ولی اس کے مد پشندو سنجل راخا وی سکل میں نمار تصویر او ما بیتا پکی گرا ہم لڑلے ندبی صدر و ببائی ما قتل ماتیو شیخ لاس کے تسبیح لیدی ورطلوی ستاخو جواب نشتا حق سے نو هغه وی عزت هر چا زیات یم خو او خبر دادا چې حساب نشته علمزه برابازی ها چې مستی وی او فانی وی او جانان وی او دک جان مستی وی او فانی وی او جانان وی او تجان گلونا لگیا وی